Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode we are going to discuss question number 14 of exercise 2.5 from chapter on polynomials, chapter number 2. Before starting the discussion, I request you to watch all the previous episodes, and also I request you to like and have some comments on the video so that I will come to know that you all are watching it, and if you have any doubt you can ask me through the comment box. So here is the first question, that without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. You don't have to calculate the cube of all these three numbers, you have to find the value of this. Just see how to solve this. We know one formula, that x plus y plus z bracket cube, that is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This formula we have studied in the previous episodes. But here, if the value of this x plus y plus z means sum of all these three numbers is 0, then what will happen? This part will also be equal to 0. So if x plus y plus z, that is equal to 0, if this is 0, then this part will be 0, then what you will get? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, that is equal to 0. And if you take 3xyz to the other side, it will become positive, so it will be x cube plus y cube plus z cube, that is equal to 3xyz. So here we get this formula, that x cube plus y cube plus z cube, that is equal to 3xyz, provided x plus y plus z, that is equal to 0. इसकी अगर सम 0 होगी, ये अगर सम 0 होगी तो ये पार्ट 0 हो जाएगा, and if you shift 3 minus 3xyz to the other side, it will become 3xyz, and you will get x cube plus y cube plus z cube, that is equal to 3xyz. Now here x is equal to what? Minus 12. If you solve this, we will see that x is equal to minus 12, x is equal to minus 12, and y, that is equal to 7, and z, that is equal to, here it is 5. This is just like x cube plus y cube plus z cube. So here simply we want x cube plus y cube plus z cube, that is minus 12 bracket cube plus 7 bracket cube plus 5 bracket cube, that is equal to what? 3xyz. So it will be 3 into x is what? Minus 12 into y, the value of y is 7, into z, and z is 5. So this is the product of all these three numbers will be what? 3 into minus 12 into 7 into 5. And if you take the product of all these four numbers, you will get it as minus 1260. And so without taking the cubes of all these three numbers, we have got the value of this as minus 1260. Now let us move to the second question. So second question is that 28 cube plus minus 15 bracket cube plus minus 13 bracket cube. So here we will take that x is equal to 28, y is equal to minus 15, and z is equal to minus 30. And we will see that whether x plus y plus z, that is equal to 0 or not. So x is what? It is 28 plus, that is minus y is what? It is 15 plus z is also minus 13. minus 13. So which is equal to 0. If you take the sum of all these three numbers, it is 0, and therefore we can say that x cube plus y cube plus z cube, that is equal to 3xyz, and therefore x cube, that is 28 cube, plus y cube, that is minus 15 bracket cube, plus z cube, that is minus 13 bracket cube, that is equal to 3xyz, that is 3 into 28 into y is minus 15 into z is minus 13. So this is the product of four numbers, and the product of all these four numbers is what? It is 16,380. So if you multiply all these four numbers, you will get it as 16,380. Now let us move to the next question, and the next question is, and the question number 16 is 14. What are the possible expressions of the dimensions of the cuboids whose volumes are given below? Here the volume of the first cuboid is given as 3x square minus 12x, and volume of the second cuboid is given as 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k, and you have to find the possible dimensions of the first cuboid and the second cuboid. So first we will take the first cuboid, that is volume of first cuboid, that is equal to 3x square minus 12x. Correct? We know that the formula for the volume is that length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height, these are the dimensions of the cuboid. Length, breadth और height, ये cuboid के dimensions होते हैं. तो हम इसके factors गिराएंगे 3x square minus 12x. तो इसके अगर हम factors गिराएंगे तो factor आएगा 3x will be the common factor, and inside the bracket it will be x minus 4. Correct? So the factors will be 3 into x minus 4, and therefore the actual factors will be what? 3x and x minus 4 are the factors of the given expression. Correct? And therefore the dimension should be 3x and x minus 4. This may be a length or breadth of the height, or this may be a length, breadth of the height, or this may be a length, breadth of the height, and therefore 3x and x minus 4 are the possible dimensions of the given expression. Now we will same way solve the second one. So the second is what? Volume of second cuboid, that is equal to 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. Now here the volume we calculate by the formula length into breadth into height. So length, breadth and heights are the dimensions of the cuboid. So here first we will take out the common factor. So in this the common factor will be 4k. Okay. If you take out 4k as a common factor, inside the bracket what will be there? 3y square, 3, 4 3s are 12, and k is a common factor, so it will be 3y square plus here 4 2s are 8, and k is a common factor, so it will be 2y, and then this will be minus 5. K is a common factor and 4 5s are 20. Now here this can be written as 4k into bracket. We can find the factors of this quadratic polynomial by splitting the middle term. You have studied it in the previous units, and therefore you can find it. So I directly write the factors of this quadratic polynomial: 3y square plus 2y minus 5, and that factors are y minus 1 and 3y plus 5. So these are the three factors of this given expression, and therefore we can say the factors of the given expression are 4k, y minus 1 and 3y plus 5, and therefore the three possible dimensions of the given cuboid are 4k minus 4k, y minus 1 and 3y plus 4. So here this may be a length, breadth or the height, this may be a length, breadth of the height, or this may be a length, breadth or the height. So these three are the possible dimensions of the given cuboid. And so friends, here today we will stop. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel, and also write something in the comment box so that I will come to know that what problems you have in understanding, or if you are understanding it clearly, please write something in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching this video.